Alright, today we're reviewing different types of body spray and CDs. Alright, maybe not. But for real though, so last night I went to Ikea for the first time with two of my friends, and they were hyping it up like it was some super awesome furniture place, which it was pretty cool, but it was just furniture. We decided to go around and look. They needed a desk and a computer chair for a whole new gaming setup that they're doing. So I decided I'd tag along, bring a camera, and it was mediocre at best. It was a nice little layout, and the store was cool, but it was furniture. It was furniture. I really don't know what else to say. It was fun because they were there, but it was, yeah. So next I'm about to show you the actual footage of us walking through and just kind of looking around, being stupid, immature adults. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. And yeah. Hey Mikey, just remember we're at the G spot.
Right.
What? I've never been to one before.
No, that's returns and exchanges, Mike.
See, shit, this is a big ass elevator.
Yeah, because people are bringing fucking furniture in it, Mikey.
Actually, it's really big.
Like I said, people put fucking furniture in it.
Yeah, how much do
Oh my gosh.
Have you seriously never been to an Ikea before?
Why would I have reason to go?
I don't know, because you're human?
You know how often we need to play Manhunt in this bitch?
Yeah, real talk.
True.
Yeah, manhunting at Ikea would be fucking hilarious.
I'd hide in the kid bed. If I could fit.
There's a playground?
Right down there. That's what I was reading that sign to.
Oh.
Oh, these checklists. Dude, I would... Honestly, if you could fit, like, any of this in a dorm room, like... That'd be the most, like, cleaned out fucking...
I'm not paying that much for a lazy boy. You can pay for it.
I'm not gonna pay for a lazy boy. I'm not gonna pay for a fucking Ikea.
Yeah, I wouldn't either. Yo, is this for sale? It's for sale.
Yeah, dude, like, you can buy, like, you literally can buy this entire kitchen for, like, 11 grand. And then you have to assemble all of it.
You heard us on the representative that works here, apparently.
This is dope.
Like
I have
something.
the outside area. You come in here.
Dude, how many cats could you fit in here? Dude, you could put like 20 Hot Pockets in there. Alright. That's where the magic happens. But you want to finally show it. Wait, where'd Mikey go?
He's in here.
Getting a really grandma chic vibe over here. I don't know how I feel about these seats. Oh, little Jimmy, always a jokester. Cute child. I think I'm supposed to go this way. I'm officially gonna call this the Piper Room. Does this have a price tag on it? Game. Does.
Big enough for my consoles. Not one up is how much it's
I think I like this room. Oh, I remember when you drew these, Mikey. I remember when you drew these.
We were so proud.
This is good old days. Aunt Linlin.
Yo, Rob.
I'll never
Even
forget.
if you got like.
I'll never forget her stir-fried cat. It just really brings it home for me.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't.
Umbrellas. I actually need an umbrella. Really bad. It's starting to rain more. You know, the lighting in here is phenomenal. Hey, I found the beer bong tubes. Oh, there's more of those plants that I found before. Yo, Rob, it's lit. Hey, yo, see, we found the tubes. Now we have this. Hey, Mikey. I found Granny's hot oil.
Do you remember that trip to Bowl America?
Tuesday.
Such a great time.
Your mom's house.
Think of getting an apartment like down the.
Yo, dude, the amount of room in this.
Oh, I don't care.
Ooh, LED lights. Another bathroom.
Hey, the laptop and scuff was not good.
Well, just a notch.
I mean, I fucks with it. It's kind of cool.
It's Harambe accessible.
Yeah, dude, like. I wish that I could. Oh, God.
Got him.
Got him.
When you gotta hide that boner game.
Oh, it's like automated?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, and if you lock it, you're not moving.
And then if you pop it and then you drop it, then we're
Brandon, I swear to God, dude. Look.
She definitely looked over and smiled. She thought it was funny. The screw stuff. Definitely sitting at a staff desk, like
Yeah.
where they sit when they talk to people.
Everything else is gonna work. It's just a corner of the door.
But I'm not gonna say anything.
You know what?
Okay, can you help me find a mirror? Out of all the mirrors that I found, I think I just messed my contact up. I think it went back.
Huh?
I think it went back.
Are you sure you don't need to check it again?
Hold on, I'll
There's
check.
a mirror
I
there.
just hold this.
You picked the pink one?
Sorry, dude. It was the closest mirror.
Okay, it went back. God, you're up. I've seen his room.
If I...
He doesn't even.
Yeah, dude. Mikey doesn't scare very easily. This is one of the things that he's gonna have to learn. Is that you gotta really earn a jump scare from Mikey. Successful mission. How did I commandeer your camera?
I handed it to you. Let it go. You just let it go. Oh, shit, I said that loud. You're not my dad. Brandon leaving, so that was kind of interesting, but really wasn't anything in there for me,
It was lit, fam.
if you say so.
I
But
found what I want. Kinda.
okay, now we're gonna go to the car, get some
Brandon, how do you
food.
feel about your first IKEA experience?
It was I'd give it a 6 out of 10.
See, if we would have got the Swedish meatballs, it'd be an easy 7.5.
Totally. 100%. But yeah, so that was my first IKEA experience. Yeah, 6 out of 10. There's just furniture upon furniture upon furniture.
See, we didn't do any of the
A
fun
deuce.
Switch.